All right, y'all, we're here at the Palmer Event Center here in Austin, Texas. This is the spot of the 4th annual 5-Star Barber and Beauty Expo. I'm super excited. This is a dream come true for me. We're here downtown across from the GOAT, Terry Black's barbecue. So long, I've always gone to Terry Black's and I've always thought, man, that event center across the street, it would be absolutely amazing if I could throw an expo there. So now we're here. We made it happen. We made it come true. It's an amazing venue, so let's go check it out.
Anything food and drink has to go through catering.
Okay.
I know like we've had like sports drink handed out, but I'm not exactly sure how that works.
I mean, I sent you the little layout that I made myself. I don't know if it's super ghetto. Okay. Yeah, and then most stuff's for the most part simple, and then I think for sure, because the actual show doesn't start till like 1 or 2, and so if they have access at 6 a.m., there's no reason y'all can't set up in, you know, 6 hours or so. Can we go check out the
we'll just walk around.
the little classrooms? They got the little podium.
That's what I'm saying. Like if we didn't have this here, we could add 3 more rows, but you know, it all depends on what you want to put in the room.
How many is this?
So we got what, 5 chairs, 6,
30, 60.
30, yeah, 60.
Yeah, so then I think we would just need the 2.
Okay.
We don't need the.
Are they gonna be separate rooms or all?
No, like open that.
Okay, yeah.
So this is like 2 right here, right?
Yeah.
This I think this is good. Cool. Dope.
It's huge.
I know, it's fire. So it's for the educational seminar in the morning. Then everybody could go take a little tiny break after the seminar, go downstairs, smoke a little cigarette. I'm just kidding, I don't know if smoking's allowed on that.
Yeah, you can, they have that.
Kick it, is this recording? Yeah, people can come kick it up here, lounge, overlook the beautiful city. Look at this. You cannot beat this. Get the water, more water. I mean, this is so dope. That's cool. That's super cool. Super dope. Fuck yeah. I know, dude. That's why it's like, it's scary because even if we have a shitload of people, it's so big. It's good. There's so much room that it's not gonna look as packed as a 8,000 square foot venue would look. I could have the same amount as somebody who has an 8,000 square foot venue, or I could even have more, and it's still gonna look not as packed as this because it's 26,000 square feet. It's fucking monster. People could chill over here. People could chill on the rooftop. Mind you, someone could go compete, go run across the street to Terry Black's and eat. People have shit to do out here. You could chill everywhere like nobody's fucking with this venue. This is Austin, Texas right here. Nothing bigger, nothing better. Bro, fire right. They have the river right here, so you can walk like all on the river. It's like super nice. And then they have Barton Springs. Have you ever been to Barton Springs? So Barton Springs is like a natural spring pool that stays like 65 degrees year round. Y'all, nobody's fucking with this. This is the nicest event center in the United States of America, okay? They got a whole fucking park here. We got all downtown here. We got the river right there. We got Terry Black's barbecue right there, the best barbecue in the USA. There is no better venue, and I'm super excited about this, and this is my dream come true. Oh, I left my sunglasses upstairs. I do not want to fucking go back up there. I'm gonna leave them. They're from the dollar store. So we right here. We just left the event center. We're technically still on the event center parking lot, and we're going right across the street to the best ever Terry Black's barbecue. Is my favorite. It's the best barbecue in the US. Right across the street, right after this car. Fresh smoking. For here. Go-to's mac and cheese.
Whichever you recommend.
And then can I get actually 5 pork ribs? Ew. The heaters are on.
Yeah, so similar story.
I love this place. He's telling the history of Terry Black's. It's really lame. All it is it was a family, because there's a Black's barbecue in New Braunfels, or like around there. You'll see a big sign. We saw a sign when we were coming.
Oh, okay.
So there's a big place called Black's. Everybody thinks that's associated with Terry Black's. It's not, but it is. It's a family member, but Terry Black's got to keep like all their recipes and whatever.
Oh.
And then they open up Black's because they got into it. But Black's is trash. Trash, bro. Straight up, put it on there. Terry Black. I mean, regular Black's. The Black's that you see in New Braunfels or wherever it's at. Trash. I even tried it because I was like, man, I'm tired of making the trip all the way to Austin. Nah, I went to Black's.
The barbecue family drama.
Yeah. Well, that's also like, I don't know if you know that Taco Cabana and Mama Margie's are the same family.
I figured there's some kind of.
But, so Mama Margie is the one that created like all the recipes for Taco Cabana and everything. And then I think it was like cousins or siblings or something took her and created Mama Margie's. They created it with her name and she was like the original cook.